class we have discussed about these types of about functions and defining it and some other topics in functions. In today's class we are going to discuss about functions itself, but we are having some other topics, right? Some other 3 topics left in functions, so those will be discussed in today's class. So and the next one is arbitrary arguments. Arbitrary arguments will be again classified into 2 types: star args and double star keyword args. See, this is args means arguments, right? That means, see, a function will be defined, but the number of parameters will be varied, right? The number of parameters will be varied. Means, see here, in parameters we are just giving star numbers, but here we are not defining the number of parameters, right? So like that, this function will be used to any number of parameters. See def add all, right? In this we can give some 2, some 3, some like 2 number of parameters, some 3 parameters, 4, 5, n number of parameters. We can give any number of parameters. Means this what function will be used everywhere. Means it can be used to any number of parameters, right? Yes. See here we are having an example also. Print add all. See here we are having three parameters, so it will add those 3 parameters. If we can add or subtract any number of parameters, like we can give only 2 number of parameters, we can give 4, 5, like that. We can give 10 also, like that. Okay, yes. That is nothing but star args, this. And here inside this arbitrary arguments we are again having another one, which is double star keyword args. KW is nothing but keyworded arguments, right? That means, see, we are having we have already discussed about dictionaries, right? See, in dictionaries we are having keyword and not keyword, key and value, right? So in that case, in the parameters which are needed to have some key and value, so then we can use this keyworded args. See, we are just defining it with double star, and for key value in details dot items. See here we are having key as well as value, right? Show info, name is this, and age. These 2 are this is a key and this is a key, and this is a value, and this is also a value. So key and value will be taken. So that is nothing but keyworded arguments. So now let me explain you with some program. So here first of all we are having non-keyword arguments, right? Yes. Now let me take the same example, def addition, and inside we are having star nums, right? Yes. Inside, see, we are having some return. See here we are having what sum of numbers, right? Like that. Sum is nothing but it is a built-in function of Python. Okay, it is a built-in function. With that we can know any numbers sum. We can know the sum of any numbers. So addition of, now we have to write the number of parameters, right? Let me write like this here, and in next line addition of, let me increase the parameters to 6, right? And let me give only 2 parameters, 1 and 2 itself. Yes, right? Now if we run it, yes, we'll be getting some different values. 1, 2, 3, for this we are getting 6, right? The value 6. And for next one, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, we are getting some value as 20, right? And next, for 1 and 2 we are getting 3. So this is nothing but star args, how we can use them also, and in keyword args. Let me just edit it. Not addition, it is like information. Info is enough. And start nums no. Let me just take the same one as we are having in example. So after that, see here, for key and value in details dot items. That means, let me remove it all. For key comma value in details dot items. See, inside details we will be having some items, right? So inside that we are, see here, let me explain you here. For key and value means it's inside these details we will be having some key and value. So see, like a person details, let's consider he'll be having some name, he'll be having some age, he'll be having some, if he is a student, he'll be having whether he is a student or not, and his what his marks in some subjects, and his attendance percentage, like that we'll be having many more. So likewise here also we are having for key value in details dot items. Let me print the what key, no, key and value. Oh yes, now see here we are having that, and after that we have to call that function, right? Yes, let me call it info. It is info of how we are, like we should have some key equals to name and value equals to, let me see how it is there. Yes, oh, name, like that. It is not like key value, it is like directly name is Roy and some age is 23 and some what we are having some city Harvard, like that. Let me just take this and let me run it. Yes, we have got the name, age and city, right? Yes, that's it about this keyword args. And next we are having lambda functions. Lambda functions is nothing but, see, writing a function in small means in 1 or 2 lines, that's it, right? It is a short form of the function. See, to write a function, see, we need these many lines, like 2 to 3, right? See, here also we need 2 lines, but instead of that we are just using lambda functions with only 1 line. See, in this 1 line we have completed the function itself. This is a function name first, the syntax is, then we have to give this symbol equals to, that is assignment, and lambda is the keyword, and x is nothing but a parameter, and inside this yes, this is nothing but the body of the function. So in only 1 line we have completed everything, right? Print square, now it will be easily done. Let me rewrite it. See, first we are having the name of function equals to, next we are having, see here we are having, this is a lambda x, not x, let me take some name, and this inside what we will be having, print hello name, right? Yes, this is a function name, and print func, right? Let me call it directly, right? Or func of some Roy. Let me run. Yes, we are getting some error. How? Let me give this now. Yes, we have got it now. See, it is a string, right? We have to add inverted commas for it. So by adding inverted commas, we are getting the correct output like hello Roy, right? Yes, this is nothing but lambda functions. And recursive function. Next we are having recursive function, a function that calls itself. Means inside the function it will again call itself. See, this is a function, right? It is a factorial function, and inside this function only, see, it is calling again. There is a function called by itself, that is called as recursive function. So this is most popular example for recursive functions. So in later classes I'll be explaining you many other recursive functions, some examples of them. So let me just write that function itself, def fact of n, right? And inside it, if n equals to 0, it is 1, right? No, 0 itself, return 1. Else there is no need to write else. Then return n into fact of n minus 1. Yes, this is the function. And now at last let me call the function fact, not fact, let me print the fact of 5. Factorial is nothing but see, if we find a factorial, if we want to find a factorial of 5, then it should be 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which will be equals to 120, right? Yes, like that. Factorial is nothing but from that number till 1, that should be multiplied. Then after running, yes, we have got 120. How this will be running means, see, if n equals to 0, return 1 will be returning, but n equals to 5 now. So 5 into factorial of 4. Factorial of 4, what is that? Factorial of 4 will be, see, we have got what happened? Yes, we have got up to here. Now see, next factorial of 4, right? Factorial of 4 is 4 into, we have got up to here, right? 4 into, next factorial of 4 is 3 into, and next factorial of 2 is 2 into, and next factorial of 1 will be 1 into, and next factorial of 0 will be some 1. So 5 into 4 into 3 into 1, at last we are getting 120. So this is recursive function, and this is all about functions. We have completed functions in today's class. So in next class we are going to see some other topic. Okay, so I hope you all understood this video very well. If you have any doubts, you can comment down below. If you like this video, then do like, share and subscribe to this channel, Easy Engineering. Thank you. That's all.